So someone has sent me this question. भूख के मारे पेट में गुड़गुड़ हो रही है, इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे? Super relatable, right? Let me answer that. And while we are at it, let's cover a few more fun body sounds in English. Why don't you all try and see how many you know already? Play along. Try to guess the English words before I tell you. Let's start. So gurgur in stomach is called stomach growl. So to say this, you would say, my stomach is growling. Next is dakar. It's called burp in English. Hichkiyan are called hiccups in English. Kharate, snoring. Tag someone who ruins your sleep with this. Khasi is called cough in English. Cheekna is called sneeze in English. जब बहुत ज्यादा जुकाम हो और नाक बंद हो तो सांस लेने में जो आवाज आती है इट्स कॉल्ड wheeze और wheezing sound. इसको कहते हैं गास. इसे कहते हैं साई. उंगली चटकाना या नकल्स चटकाने को कहते हैं टू पॉप और क्रैक द जॉइंट्स. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इसको कहते हैं फाट. एंड इफ यू वांट टू साउंड फैंसी, flatulence. Now you know what those funny body sounds are called in English. How many did you guess right? Got more doubts like this? Drop them in the comments or send me a DM and let's learn and grow together.